Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use the timesheet approval system in Zoho Project. This is your full guide for 2025, so buckle up and let's get started. First things first, we need to log into our Zoho Project account. This is crucial because Zoho Project is where our timesheet approval system lives. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Projects tab and select the project you want to work with. The reason we do this is to keep our timesheet approvals project-specific, making it easier to manage and track. Now that we've done that, it's time to move on to the second step, accessing the timesheet module. Look for the timesheet option in the top menu bar. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page showcasing all your project's timesheets. This helps us because it gives us a bird's-eye view of all the timesheets awaiting approval. Next up, let's focus on the approval process. On your screen, you'll see a list of timesheets. Each timesheet has an Approve button next to it. Click this button to approve a timesheet. The reason we do this is to validate the hours worked by our team members, ensuring everyone gets paid accurately and on time. Now, you might be wondering, what if there's a mistake in the timesheet? Or what if I'm not ready to approve it yet? Good news, Zoho Project has got you covered. Instead of the Approve button, you can select Reject or Hold. This allows you to manage timesheets at your pace and correct any discrepancies before approval. Let me explain why this matters. Approving, rejecting, or holding timesheets directly impacts your project's progress and your team's morale. It ensures that everyone's work is acknowledged and rewarded correctly. It's a vital part of project management. Finally, once you're done with the approvals, don't forget to save changes. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see the Save button. Click on it to finalize your actions. This is the final step, and it's important because it makes sure all your decisions are stored and implemented in the system. And there you have it. That's how you use the timesheet approval system in Zoho Project. You've now got the power to manage your project timesheets effectively, ensuring accuracy and fairness in your team. Remember, a well-managed timesheet is a stepping stone to a successful project. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.